Hello and welcome back, my dear students. So today we are going to start our new topic, that is our new chapter, fourth chapter, that is evolution. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about how is the evolution has occurred from all these unicellular animal to the multicellular organisms. So in the last lecture we have learned about what is protozoa and how life has started from on the earth. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about what has occurred from protozoa to these multicellular organisms and animals that we see today. So let's begin. So in the previous phases of development, the protozoa, it was unicellular, but as the uh, evolution happened, it kind of gained gradually multicellular organism. It became a multicellular organism and it formed certain tissues and all those other complex things. And then it formed a multicellular organism and it became insects. And then from that onward, they used to become a fish. Then there were kind of certain aquatic plants first of all, and then all these animals that you see today have been evolved from all those things from the water bodies. Now you see, evolution, the term evolution, it means is that gradual and continuous change. Okay, so just compare yourself when you were 2 years old and today. Okay, so when you were 2 years old, you were a little baby. Okay, you were small in size, you were weak that time. But now, when you see you are maybe 12 or 10, 11-year old, then you can see the difference between a 2-year old and a 10-year old. Okay, there is a difference between strength, okay, size, and also intelligence, and like maybe the information of the genetic code. So that is the difference between current and the previous version of yourself. So this is what evolution is. It is gradual and continuous change. So this is the same thing that have occurred in our animal world. So from one cell we have grown to few cells, then from few cells we have grown to this much big body. So you see there are few divisions of animals that are visible on the planet Earth. Okay, so you see there are mainly two types of animals on our Earth, that are invertebrate animals and vertebrate animals. So let's talk about invertebrate animals. So you see vertebrate or vertebral column that you see, I will show you one photograph so that you could get to know exactly what is a vertebral column. So here you see this backbone you have, that is called as vertebral column. And mostly many animals have this thing and many don't have this thing. So those who have this vertebral column are called as vertebrate animals, and those who don't have are simply called as invertebrate animals. So you see here which kinds of organism are included in this invertebrate animal. So you can see worm, jellyfish, okay, and spider and all those other animals, or sorry, insects you can say. Now we will talk about what are vertebrate animals, and in vertebrate animals you can see that there are certain reptiles, amphibians, again mammals, then terrestrial animals and all those things. So you see, it includes aquatic animals also. So like fish, from the aquatic animals. Okay, the marine life, all those animals that are kind of in the sea. So those are aquatic animals. Then amphibian animals, that means those which can live on earth as well as on the land. Again, then there are a few animals that are kind of only living on the land, that are called as terrestrial animals, like goat, then dog, even man is also living on a ground, so that is called as terrestrial animals. And maybe mammals is the one that is very advanced of all of this. So you see, mammals can give birth to young ones directly without the help of any kind of egg and all those things. So mammal has this basic characteristics of giving birth directly. So you see, these are the kind of evolution that we have seen on our earth. So That's all for this lecture. Okay, so we will kind of continue this part in the next chapter, that is evolution of mankind. So that's all for today. Have a nice day and bye bye.